I thought I was in great shape. I really did. I spent a whole year getting ready to go on the Colorado Trail with my son. I was hiking regularly, walking, and I even started running. I even lost 30 pounds. And I remember stepping on the trail thinking, man, I'm ready for this. Day 1 felt good. Day 2 still felt strong. But by day 6, I had shin splints so bad that I was icing my legs in ice cold mountain streams just to keep going. And that's when it hit me. I didn't train wrong, but I didn't train right for hiking either. And most people make the exact same mistake. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 biggest mistakes that people make when training for hiking and what actually works when you're out on trail. If you've ever worked out consistently, felt like you were in decent shape, and then got on trail and felt completely wiped, this is why. Because hiking doesn't just test your fitness, it exposes your weaknesses. Mistake number 1, too much cardio, not enough strength. Now don't get me wrong, cardio matters, but here's the problem. A lot of people think that if I can run, I can hike. That's what I thought too. But hiking's not just about your lungs. It's also about your legs under load of a backpack. It's actually climbing under weight, stabilizing on uneven ground, and being able to control your body going downhill. Running doesn't train that. Strength does. And this is where most people are underprepared. Because when your legs aren't strong enough, everything feels harder than it should. Mistake number 2, you never train with weight. This one hit me hard on trail. You can be in great shape, but if you're not used to carrying a pack, everything changes. Your shoulders start burning, your lower back tightens up, and your core gets fatigued. And suddenly, you're not just hiking, you're now surviving your gear. Here's what I wish I would have done more of. Simple stuff like walking with weight, hiking with a loaded pack, even just wearing my pack around a little more often. Because the backcountry doesn't really care how strong you are without a pack. It cares how you move with one. Mistake number 3, you don't train for time on your feet. This is a big one that most people don't talk about. You can crush a workout for an hour, but hiking? That's sometimes 6, 8, even 10 hours on your feet each day. And your body has to adapt to that. That's not just strength. That's not just cardio. That's actually time. More time that you're in movement. More time under fatigue. This is why people feel good early in the hike and then completely fall apart later in the day because they never trained for that kind of duration. Mistake number 4, you don't train for downhill. This one got me really bad on the Colorado Trail. I thought the downhill was going to be the easy part. I mean, you're just going downhill, right? Wrong. That's where the damage ends up happening. Your body is trying to slow you down every single step you take. And when I was on the Colorado Trail, I went too fast way too early. And by day 6, I had shin splints so bad that I was sitting in freezing mountain streams just trying to calm the inflammation. That was a huge turning point for me because I ended up realizing that I spent a year training to go uphill, but I had no training for going downhill. And downhill is the part that ends up breaking people. Mistake number 5, you train like a gym person, not a hiker. This is the big picture. Most people end up training in control environments. They're on flat surfaces, they've got predictable movements, and they end up doing a lot of basic reps. But on the trail, it's messy. You've got uneven terrain, rocks, roots, elevation, and you're constantly having to make adjustments. Hiking is athletic, whether people think about it that way or not. And if you don't train your body to be able to have balance, to be able to stabilize, or even to be able to move in awkward conditions, you're gonna end up feeling it. Now here's the good news. You don't need a perfect training plan. You don't need to be in an elite shape. You just need to train a little bit more specific to the trail. If I could go back and do it again, I'd focus a little bit more on building strength in my legs. Spend more time hiking with weight. Slow down early instead of trying to push through. And respecting the downhill just as much as you do the uphill. Because here's the truth. The trail will train you when you're out there, but it's so much more enjoyable when you show up prepared. I still ended up finishing the Colorado Trail, but I learned a lot of things the hard way. And if you're planning for your first trip, or even your next one, I want it to feel better for you than it did for me in that first week. If you're heading out on your first through hike, let me know in the comments below, what are you worried about? And if you're new to backpacking and you're still trying to figure out all the things that you need to be able to get out on trail, I created a beginner starter kit that I'm giving away for free that I'll make sure to put down in the description below. And if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments below, what's the hardest thing about hiking for you right now? As always, guys, I hope this was useful, and hopefully one of these days, I see you out on the trail.